Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial on my channel. In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to create a text insert effect in Filmora 11. Okay, so this is a question from one of my subscribers and I think it's interesting, and actually it is very easy to create this special effect. Okay, so let's go to my computer screen. Alright, so here's my start page. So the first thing, I want to create a new project, so I'm going to click here. Okay, and now I'm going to use a video in the stock media. So I'm going to select here at the stock media and then go to my download folder. I'm going to use this one, and this is a 4K clip. By the way, I'm going to stick with 1080p. Okay, and this is a video clip. It is nice, right? And now if I want to create a text or overlay a text on my video, it is very simple. All you need to do is to go to the title tab here, and in this area you got a bunch of different templates that you can use for your video, including title, lower third, end credits, and so on. So many things right here, so you can use any template. For example, I can select a lower third. Okay, and then I'm going to select free at the view option because I don't want to use a paid subscription effect in Filmora. Okay, so the next thing, we want to find a template that we want to use for our video. For example, I'm going to use this one, the streaming and something else. Okay, just double click on this template to download it, and then drag and drop it on the timeline at the position you want to insert the text. Okay, and the next thing, we want to go to the advanced editor. To do that, we can just right click at the title box on the timeline and then select the advanced edit here. Okay, and the next thing, we want to delete this preset because I don't want to keep this preset on my video, so I only want to keep this text. So I can just select the preset video on the timeline and then I can just delete it. And now I want to move this text to the beginning of the timeline. Just move it right here, and now we have this text. Nice, right? By the way, the first thing, we want to adjust the text and customize a little bit. So I'm going to double click at the text on the timeline, and then I'm going to type here text insert. Okay, I think it's okay. And actually I can change the fonts and the size and also some other format right here. And if I want to add some text border and text shadows, I can do it right here at the customize area. Okay, by the way, I'm going to resize the border to this side, and being mentioned that you have some preset here also. I'm going to select the text and move it to this corner. Okay, nice, right? And the key things here is to create a text insert effect. So I'm going to select the text here on the timeline and then select the animation tab right here. This is the easiest way to create this effect, so just follow me. Select the animation, and here at this animation area you need to find this one, the left direction insert or right direction insert, to create this special effect. Okay, for example, this is a left direction insert. All you need to do is to double click at the animation to apply it, right? And now we have this text insert. Okay, and now if you want, you can control the animation effect, the duration of the animation of this text. For example, you have two lines here, this one and this one. This is for the entrance effect and this is for the exit effect. If you drag it to the left, the animation will happen faster. Okay, just look like this. Okay, and this is the same. If you drag this line all the way to the right here, it will disappear faster. Okay, so it look like this. And if you want to slower the animation, you can click here and then drag it to the right to make it slower. Okay, by the way, it is up to you to decide the duration of the animation. For me, I'm very happy with this text, and now I will save this text template for later use. To do that, I can click here, save as custom, and now I'm going to type it, this one, text insert. Okay, and then I'm going to click OK, and now I can go back to the timeline. Okay, so just click OK and OK again. And now I have a left insert text effect in Filmora 11. Okay, so it will look like this. And for next project, if I want to use this template, all I need to do is to go to the title tab right here and then go to the custom folder. And now I have this one. This is the text template I have just created. Okay, all I need to do is just drag and drop it right here. So we have another text insert effect right here. Okay. So that is how to create a text insert effect in Filmora 11. It is very easy, but I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. If you have any more questions, just let me know in the comment section below. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.